Hey guys, today we're checking out the Osprey Talon 33. It's been called the quiver killer because it's good for a ton of different uses, from biking to hiking to backpacking, you name it. So let's check it out now. Hey guys, welcome to Backcountry Renegade. My name is Jeff. Today we're looking at the Osprey Talon 33. This is one I'm considering in my search for the perfect day pack / occasional overnighter. Could this one be the one? We'll check it out, a little bit more details and features. Stay tuned. Up for consideration today is the Osprey Talon. Now the Talon comes in an 11, 22, 33, and 44 size liter pack. Today we're looking at the ever popular Talon 33. The Talon 33 is good for long day hikes and the occasional overnighter. This is a popular ultralight pack for biking, long day hiking, light backpacking, overnights, and traveling. It is one of the most popular and versatile packs currently in the Osprey line, and it's backed by the Osprey's almighty guarantee. So let's dive in. The Talon 33 comes in either a small medium or a medium large. This one in particular is a small medium. The weight for the small medium version comes in at 1.9 pounds or 30.46 ounces. Now the small version is more like a 31 liter pack. The dimensions are 22.4 inches tall by 11.8 inches wide by 11.4 inches in diameter. The recommended load capacity is 20 to 30 pounds, and it's comfortable in any of that weight range. Now the pack material is 70D by 100D mini shadow nylon. Also on the more reinforced areas, it is 210D nylon. So this provides very little weight while being very tough. Now the Osprey's focus on this pack was to keep it lightweight and minimal while also being dependable. So let's dive into the features. Starting in the back, we have what's called the Bio Stretch. This is a very comfy foam pattern structure. Now the back panel here is called Airscape. It is also very flexible. It can fold and pack well. It won't restrict your movement, so if you're climbing or anything like that, it will be good. It's also very soft and comfortable and has this breathable mesh. Now while I did find it comfortable and lightweight, I didn't find it as breathable as, say, the Airspeed ventilation suspension system. It's not as ventilated. My shirt is definitely sticking to me right now. Can't really tell yet, but when I take off my pack, it'll become a little more evident. The cushion goes into the hip belt, so it's very nice and much breathability as well. You have two zippered pockets as well that are pretty nice in that hip belt. The shoulder straps are really nice. They do have some nice cushion and breathability as well, except you can see the holes here are a lot finer and more dense. Nice thing is shoulder straps feel good. They're definitely have enough cushion, but again, ventilation, I'm feeling it there. Shoulder straps are a little wet. Also, you can see we have some nice straps you can attach things to, and you even have a pocket on one of the straps there. On the chest strap, you do have your normal clip with your whistle built in. Now the best thing I like about this pack with the shoulder straps in particular is it is velcroed in, so it is adjustable according to your torso height. So you can adjust it to your particular level here and just put it in, and so it's very compatible and adjustable. There is also a hydration sleeve right behind the ventilation area where you can attach a bladder, put it through, and then it comes in. Now be careful not to get too big of a bladder, because if you do, then it will restrict some of your volume inside the pack. Let's turn it over and look on the top here. Now there is a lid, also known as a brain, which has a nice big pocket here from the back. You open it up, you also have a mesh pocket inside to store some other things. Here you also have a nice compression strap that you can open up and get access to the main compartment. It is a top loader. As you can see, you do have quite a bit of volume in there for storing your things. The top compartment is very spacious and can hold quite a bit of things. You also have a large pocket here in the front that is mesh and stretchable, so it can hold a lot of things there. I like using this mesh pocket that is real stretchy to put things that are maybe either wet, like a jacket, or if I want to quick access for something, have it right here. On the front, you also have your famous stow-on-the-go trekking pole attachment cover, which you can compress here once you are wanting to get to an area where you need to use your hands to maybe climb. You also have this slotted piece right here where you can attach a blinker. So if you're using this as you're riding a bike, which this is a popular option for, you can attach your bike blinker here. On the sides, you do have some nice compression straps that go over these side pockets. Now the side pockets are stretch mesh and they're reinforced with nylon at the bottom, so if you choose to put like tent poles in here, it's not going to poke holes through the nylon. The compression straps are nice. They can go on either the outside of the pocket or the front side. Now the compression straps and the clips, they are a little bit thinner and smaller, and that's an option to save weight. Now on the bottom, as you notice, there is no sleeping bag compartment. So just keep that in mind. If you do need to take this as an overnighter and you want to put a sleeping bag, it does have to go into the main compartment. So concluding thoughts, the pros. This is a very good all-round pack. You can use it for a variety of activities. It's lightweight, it has good volume, it's durable, and you have the Osprey Almighty guarantee. It's a minimalist pack, but it does have some nice options. It's a good affordable option as well, so it's not breaking the bank. It comes in at $140. Now I found it on sale for 25% off, which Osprey does occasionally, so I got it for just over $100, so pretty good deal. So look out for that.
You know, for me, going with this pack, there really wasn't much of a weight issue. It's a very lightweight pack, and if you even pack it pretty full, it's not going to be too bad. For what it is and what it costs, definitely a great pack. One that I can definitely see for light day hiking.
Now the con, I did have few issues. First, as you saw, the breathability was not as good as I had hoped. Now coming from the Exos or the Stratos, I'm pretty spoiled with the Airspeed suspension system. So it didn't compare to those for sure. The breathability, the suspension system is something I do really enjoy with those other packs.
The main issue that I had with it is the ventilation. Just compared to the Osprey Stratos 34 that I have, the Airspeed definitely helps with the ventilation. So I'm feeling it here, feeling it in my back, just a lot of sweat.
Now another thing you need to be careful of is how you load it. Now because you do not have that suspension system that creates a gap, this is riding really close to your back here. And so you need to be careful how you pack it so you don't create any unnecessary pressure points. So is this the perfect day pack for me? For me in particular, this didn't really hit all the needs that I was looking for in a pack. The Stratos 34 in particular fits a little bit better. Now, make sure to see my Talon versus Stratos video for more information that you can find right here. I'll have a review up of that.
So what do you think of the Osprey Talon 33? Would you go with this pack? If so, what would you use it for? What other things besides, day hiking? Let me know in the comments. And if you like what you saw, make sure to subscribe, give me a thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching.